Now here's another question in physics, and welcome to Emilia online tutorial. Before us is this question that says, in the diagram below, what is the value of W? Now here is a system presumed to be balanced. Now here is a string attached to a wall, now balanced with a pivot. Now here is the weight. Now the distance between this weight to the center here is 1 centimeter. Now from here to there is 1 centimeter. Now the tension in this string is 20 Newton, and the distance between the center to the pivot here is 1 meter. So what is the value of W? Alright, ensure that when we're resolving problem like this, the anti-clockwise or the clockwise must be equal to the what? Anti-clockwise, or either the upward force must be equal to the what? The downward force. Alright, now looking at this, you can see that this guy is up, now this guy is down. So the upward force must be equal to the what? Downward force. Now let us take moment towards this side. So with this now, this here we have W now times 1 plus 1, which is the total distance, 1 plus 1. So this will give us what? 2W, right? Yeah. Now taking this to the direction of this, so here we have 20 times 1, which is what? 20. Now the upward force and the downward force must be same thing, so you have 2W equals 20 divided both sides by 2. So W will now give us 2 here 1, 2 here 10, so you have 10 Newton. Final answer. Very simple. Alright, if you love what I've just done, please can subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploading, both in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.